Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy AbleTech. So in this video today, we are going to repair this iPhone 7 Plus. So some people might be asking, maybe is this still worth of repairing this? Why can't I just go for another phone? So though to some they will go and buy another phone, but to some they prefer maybe you have some things to remove from the phones. So as you can see, the phone is damaged. You can see the screen is completely shattered. So in this video I'm going to show you how to repair the screen, how to remove it like a professional. So though if we are not going to use the professional tools, but we are going to use the available tools we have at hand. So if you have not been able to do anything, so if you follow this video carefully, you'll be able to repair any phone, any iPhone that is being given to you. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, try to subscribe to my channel. So whenever I drop a video, so you will be the first person to see the video. So let us begin. So first of all, what are we going to do? What we are going to do firstly is for us to target, to make to have the perfect tool for our iPhone. As you can see, the tool pin at the bottom. So the perfect tools we are going to use is either we use this or we use this. So let's try with this one. So let's remove it. So as you can see, you unscrew this bolt. Two bolts is very paramount, and you keep it somewhere. So as you can see, unscrolling it, unscrew it, keep it safe. Keep it safe. So another thing you are going to use is another razor blade. As you can see, razor blade, very simple. It is easily you can easily source for it. So we are going to use this razor blade to open this one. So be careful. Be careful. You put this razor by the side. If you like, you put off the phone. If you like, you put it on. So you can see, you can see, you can see, you can see. But don't make sure you don't put that razor inside. So you put it at this side again. Pull it like this. Pull it, raise it up. So as you can see, so you don't flip the screen. You open it by the side, because there are some flakes, as you can see. So here, this is where we are going. This is exactly what we are going to remove. This is the screen we are going to remove. You can see. So what I'm going to do next is for me to remove the battery. But if you want to remove the battery, make sure you switch off the phone. So let me switch it off. So you switch it off. So you can see the screen is not even working properly. So as I've switched it off, so you are going to look for a rubber tooth. You don't use iron tooth to remove the battery. So the next thing I'm going to use is a rubber tooth. So this is the rubber tooth, as you can see. So I'm going to pull out the battery. This is, I've pulled out the battery. So the next thing, I'm pulling out the screen. See, very easy, guys. It's very, very easy. As you can see, so we are done. We are now left with the naked screen, naked phone. So now we are going to put another screen. So before we go about that, we are going to remove some accessory from this old screen. So what are the accessories? We remove our earpiece, the speaker, the fingerprint. So without further ado, let's quickly remove that. So another tools, don't forget, you have to make sure you are using the correct tools to lose this phone. If not, you will damage the tools. So sorry for the noise. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, try to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first person to see it. And if there is anything you want me to know in the comment section, feel free to ask me any question. So you can see we are not using a model accessory to remove this. So Now, as you can see, this is glued to the body. You don't pull it with force. You just use, you have a petrol at home, that is the PMS. You use it to remove it. So as you can see, don't forget the way you remove this. This is how you are going to put it back when installing the new screw. So don't forget. So the flex of this fingerprint, very fragile. Very fragile. So you pull it down, but before that, you apply your solvent. This is the solvent, the PMS. So you also apply it here, but careful, don't allow it to touch the fingerprint, the front camera. So when you apply it, so that this one will be able to remove. So use your needle. It can be easily sourced. So pull this one down. Can you see? So like this. Likewise this. You can see. So this one is becoming a waste now. So it's put it aside. So you head on to the place where you can buy it from any place you used to get it. So let's test this screw first. This is it. Position where you are going to hold your screw. Put your battery terminal, so you test the screen. You want to test the screen if it works. So if it doesn't work, you can return it to where you bought it. You can see, so the screen is working perfectly. And that is not all, guys. We still have to test the screen. Maybe the calibration is working properly. So if it is not working properly, this is the first stage you are going to do. It's not until when you install it and you cannot return it again. So as this one is being flashed, so that is none of our business for this video. So you can see the screen is working properly. The screen is working properly. So the next thing we are going to do is for us to test this fingerprint. So how do we do that? So we switch off the phone again. Switch off the phone again. Don't forget, the first thing you are going to remove is your battery terminal. Very important. If you make this mistake, guys, the screen is gone. So remove it. So what we are going to do next is for us to put our fingerprint. So you put it, you insert this like this. You make sure you don't insert it from the backward, you insert it from the front. So you lay it under this flex, so you close it. So that's it, guys. That's it. So let's test it again. Let's test this again. So don't forget to set this flex according to the way they should be. So I believe with this little tutorial you should be able to handle your phone. And guys, don't forget to watch this video to the end to see how to couple the phone. So I'm going to test it. You just press this, you know it's working. So that is it. We have to couple the phone now, so let's quickly go about that one. So don't forget to remove your battery first. Forward.